my name's Johnny. Came to this seminar owned on rent. It's great, fantastic. I learned a lot, and it was a great experience.
This is the first time I have seen one of these seminars, and I used to think that this is just a scam or something like that. But what I learned today is a lot of. I can recommend to a lot of people this one. Okay, if somebody is having some difficulty in owning their own home.
Not sure what I was going to learn, but I thought it was a time well spent to come and learn something about being able to get back into the home market again and the possibility of owning my own home.
What I want to talk about tonight is, as I said, it's a bit about myself and what we do to help you to own your own home if the bank say no. And there's a 4 ways that we do to help you to own your own home, which is I'm going to go into one by one.
After I came in tonight, just opened my mind to a different world. So it's pretty new stuff.
I come to Crockton to say that enough is enough. There must be another way. There must be a fair go for us to own our own home, even if the bank say no. So that's lucky enough that I found a way to own our own home, even if the bank say no. And since then, we've been helping a lot of the other families to own their own home as well.
Yeah, we're in our own home. A lot of people said to us, there's got to be a catch. No, there wasn't a catch. Trust us, we're in our own home and we love it. And I've got grandkids that love the backyard. We're just starting to do the backyard now. If it wasn't for Tom and his wife, we wouldn't be where we are today. So we really thank you and your wife.
I wanted to get an idea of what's happening and does this system work, so came down to the seminar, check it out, got all my questions answered, and it looks like a different way to move forward.
There's a stack of information, but actually the clarity of the 4 different ways that you guys were promoting was really great because I got some clarity around all those different areas. So there was lots of
So either you wait for it or you buy the house without a bank. That's what we did.
I like when he introduced Mel Champa is the legal guy, and he also brought in one of his brokers as well. I think it was Gail, yeah. So they were pretty informative. So they gave a bit of strength behind his words.
Because a lot of people think, well, this is too good to be true. Yeah, I barely have a deposit, and yet I'm going to get my own home. There's got to be a catch. Well, there actually isn't a catch. Okay, it's all above board. It's all legal, and regardless of which of these options you go for, you are protected, and you will get legal ownership of your property.
Years in mortgage broking, just a few, and it is quite often that you come across people that you would love to help, but circumstances don't allow them to get where they should be right at the time. And the interesting thing is that I have put some figures together on the effect that even waiting a couple of years can impact on you being able to buy a house. So if you could get into one 2 years sooner, you'd certainly be advantaged in that.
People are struggling to get a loan nowadays. So for them, I would recommend whatever I learned here to attend one of these seminars.
people like myself that have gone through a separation and big changes in their life and may have owned homes. I've had homes in the past and investment properties that saw it that I may not be able to get back in to own my own home again, and I can see that this certainly could be a possibility.
You don't have to have a good credit history to own your own home, because I don't. You have to have a really big deposit to own your own home, because I don't. And you don't have to tick all the boxes with the bank to own your own home, because I don't. But you have to be good looking. Which is what you do here.